thought today. Okay, children? All right. Every day we learn many things. Every day, whether at school, home, or wherever we are learning. And our thoughts, our ideas, new things are coming up every day. So what is this learning actually? And why we are learning? Let's see some information. So before we know about why learning, what is learning? Learning is the process of acquiring new understandings, knowledge, behavior, skills, values, attitudes, and preferences. That is what learning is. Be on mute. If learning is this, so why learning? What is the importance of learning according to you? While we are seeing these slides, I want you to think, why am I learning? What is the benefit I will get from it or I will give to others? So the importance of learning is that it helps the individual to acquire the necessary skills, okay, through learning and knowledge, so that he or she can set some goals. Children, goals. What do you mean by goals? Each one must be having, yes, each one must be having some big dreams. Today, I want you to, if you have not set goals, I want you to set some goals.
Yes,
I want you to think. I want you to dream big. Okay, not only just dreaming big, but I want you to work towards it. Then you will see the marvelous things that you're gonna do in life. So I want you to ponder upon these thoughts. Why am I learning? For what am I learning? And what will I give back? So if you think on all those lines, if you try to dream big, if you try to imagine, you might be getting a spark or a small idea. Ponder upon it, think, reflect upon it, and then you will see where you'll go. Okay, so before that, let's see, I want you to show a person. He has studied, he has learned a lot, and through his learning, what did he do? Did he do anything? Let's learn about it. And before that, are you learning for only grades? Only for some degrees? You want to graduate? Think, if only for these things you're doing, it's good. You have to get A plus or good degrees. Then what? Later what? You want to benefit only yourself, or you want to do something for your family, for the community, for the society, state, or the nation, or the world? Are you gonna do some change, get some change to this world? All right, I want you to watch this small video and carefully watch it, read it. If you're not understanding, children, please read, go through. We'll have a discussion on it.
ఆల్ మిల్లెట్స్ అనేవి కంప్లీట్గా ఇడ్లీ రవ్వ యూస్ చేయకుండా కంప్లీట్ హెల్త్, ఆర్గానిక్, హైజీనిక్ అండ్ ఫుల్లీ హెల్త్ కాన్సెప్ట్, యాంటీబయాటిక్ ఆల్సో. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది చెప్తాను. మనం రైస్ తిన్నా తినకపోయినా కానీ మొదటి నుంచి ఎప్పటి నుంచో పండుతున్నవి, విత్ వర్షాభావం ఉన్న ప్రాంతాల్లో కూడా పండేవి మిల్లెట్స్. మన ప్యాడీ రైస్ కంటే కూడా ఎన్నో రెట్లు ప్రోటీను, ఐరన్, ఫైబర్, మిగతావన్నీ ఉండే ఈ ఫుడ్. ప్లస్ ఈ ఫుడ్ పండించడానికి ఏ పెస్టిసైడ్స్ కానీ ఏమీ యూస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Okay, he is Sudhir Chittam. Okay, and if you have read through the information, he is a postgraduate in agriculture economics. So he learned, he graduated, and then did he feel a bit shy to start a small startup, which is his idea, his thought, and he had an aim to give healthy food to the society. So he didn't feel shy to start up a startup, idli stall. Okay, so today I want you to think of your learning. So what will you benefit out of it for yourself, for your society, community, family? Okay, and then he cared about the nature, providing healthy food for the community. Every morning, many people by 6:30 a.m. they are lining up there. Why? Because they all want to be healthy, having healthy food. So he's preparing idlis with those millets, which are very good for health, healthy food. And then the way he's packing things, which are very eco-friendly. He's using the leaves to do that. Okay, not only that, he's helping the society. How? There is a tribal community, the tribal farmers who grow these millets. So every month he's buying from them some thousands of kgs of millets and preparing these idlis and giving to the community, by which he is benefited, his family is benefited, community is healthy, and he has fulfilled his aim. So today I want you to think, what is your aim? What is your goal? So how should you learn? I'm sure he must be happy in learning whatever he learned while in school, college, and in graduation, post graduation. So how is your learning? Let's read this. The purpose of learning is growth. Is it your only self, only you grow, or you make your community or individuals with you grow, or the family growth? Growth could be in many perspectives. It could be economically, socially, in many physically. So how is your learning? Okay, so the purpose of learning is growth, and our mind, unlike our bodies, can continue growing as we continue to live, by Morris Adler. So I want you to enjoy this learning. These school days will not come again. So when you are at school, I want you to learn. You are learning by doing. So enjoy it. Don't feel as a burden regarding learning or exams, or whenever teachers or parents say you have to study good, get good grades. Think what you want to do in life. So when you have that purpose or goal or a big dream, you will enjoy learning. And also I want to share one more video. I couldn't stop myself. I hope you will enjoy. Let's have this video.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, ना किसी मंजिल की फिकर थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो क्या दिन थे, वो तुम भी क्या दिन थे, वो तुम भी क्या दिन थे।
I'm sure you're looking forward to these days, children.